I think I'm starting to finally understand why some YouTubers come online and apologize for the way that their skin is looking when they're having breakouts. I get it. I actually get it, because no one really wants to have their skin out there like this when they're all flaws and all, but I couldn't bear the thought of putting makeup on my face, and I'm only human, so here I am, flaws and all, no apologies, because it's just not that deep, right? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for checking your girl out. So I found it very appropriate to come online today with my skin bare to show you guys the things that I picked up in the Sephora VIB haul. Now, I mainly picked up skincare just because it's absurdly expensive, and whenever Sephora tends to have their sales, I tend to gravitate more towards the skincare just to replenish necessities for me and just to try out new products, and also because I love my skin and I don't like when it betrays me like this, you know? And I can get makeup at any time. I have backups of many different makeup products, and makeup just isn't as expensive as skincare, so I wanted to go ahead and get most of the savings in the skincare department. So I'll be sharing with you guys what I picked up in this sale. I did get one makeup item, and I'll show you guys that towards the end of the video. And I didn't pick up a lot of stuff because, you know, I ain't got money like that. Okay. But I did pick up a few things that I wanted to share with you guys. So the first thing I picked up was this mask from Herbivore. I currently use a pumpkin enzyme mask, and I just wanted to get a new one, and I've heard really good things about this one. I don't like exfoliants that have any sort of texture or microbeads or anything in it. I do prefer a chemical exfoliator, so this was definitely right up my alley, and my cousin raved about this, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give this a try, and hopefully it helps me out. I have to be honest and say that I have already used this one. Okay, I used this one 2 times now. I did have to pick this up in store. A lot of the products I got like I ordered online, but I had a few gift cards and I didn't want to spend out of my own pocket if it wasn't necessary, so this is one of the things I did pick up in store. I have tried it twice now, and I like it. I like it a lot, and a little goes a long way. And I know some people hate the smell of it, but I actually really like the way it smells. I love the way it smells, actually. So far I really like this, and I wanted to go ahead and pick up a new mask to add to my collection. So I want to say 2 months now, I had ordered this little Sephora box that came with like Sephora favorites. You know how they make those little package box with a lot of different sample sizes or deluxe sample sizes of products that a lot of people tend to like and have high ratings on the site. And I got a lot of products in that I was really excited to try, and I think that is the culprit of where my breakout started, because I know better than to just pile on a whole bunch of different new skincare at once. But I was so excited that I literally just stopped everything I was doing and just rearranged my skincare in that night when I got that box. And I only have the face wash and the essence left, and I hate the face wash, so I'm not even using that. And I only have the essence left, so I'm trying to see if the essence is what is breaking me out. Hopefully it's not, because it was expensive and I kind of want to finish it, because the main reason I bought the box was for the essence. Anyways, I said all that to say that I picked up a new essence. I've recently started to get into essence. I've heard they have really great benefits for your skin, and I don't want to splurge on an essence as yet. I kind of just want to work my way up. So I ordered this one from Juice Beauty, and it's their green apple brightening essence. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm actually really excited to try it. This is what it looks like, and the packaging is actually glass, which is very nice and luxurious. I'm really excited to see what benefits this may have to my skin. I do have dry skin, so a lot of skincare experts would recommend an essence just to give your skin that extra moisture after cleaning. And I have been currently using the SK2 essence, and I kind of feel like this might be what's breaking me out, but I'm not sure, okay? And I would hate to know that this is what's breaking me out, because it's expensive, and as I said, I only bought the box for this specific product. My experience with this was just meh. It was just like, okay, cool. It wasn't nothing special to me, so I'm really, really looking forward to trying this essence from Juice Beauty. So I am a big fan of active ingredients and serums in general. I'm a skincare fiend, but specifically when it comes to my serums and oils. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the serum I picked up on the sale. I picked up this retinol serum from First Aid Beauty, and it has 2.5% retinol in it. I'm currently using this one from Drunken Elephant. It's their TLC glycolic night serum, and y'all, this is the 30 ml one, and I bought this last year October, and I've used this religiously, and I feel like this will never end. I am a picker, and glycolic is really great for helping with discoloration and hyperpigmentation in melanin skin, or just in skin in general. But I wanted to go ahead and get a retinol serum to add to this. I kind of think I might rotate them, like one week, one the next week. Hopefully this holds up nicely against the Drunken Elephant one, because I really do like this one, and I'm hoping I can see as good results with this one from First Aid Beauty as I've gotten so far with the Drunken Elephant one. Okay, moving on to my oil. My skin really likes argan oil, so I went ahead and picked this up. It's a little set, and it comes with the argan oil, it comes with a whipped argan face butter, and it comes with a whipped mud mask and a unscented body butter, I'm assuming this is. This was, I believe, $68, and the argan oil on its own in the 50 ml is 60 bucks. So I thought that this was a steal. I know my skin loves argan oil, so I wanted to go ahead and replenish. I've been through like 2 of these little bottles right here, and I was just like, you know what, let's get the big one. I really wanted to get the marula oil from Drunken Elephant, but I got marula oil money. Okay, I'm gonna work my way up in the oils. Right now I don't have marula oil money, and I know that my skin likes argan oil, so I just went ahead and got this, and I felt like it was a steal for the products that you're getting in it. You get to try a little bit of everything. This haul is short and sweet because we're coming on to the last skincare product. I went ahead and picked up this Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. I'm really looking for a nice face cream. I picked this up mainly because I knew that this face cream didn't cause any breakouts and didn't irritate my skin. It was just a very nice simple face cream to have. I don't find it to be the most moisturizing, but I do find that if I add drops of like argan oil or any face oil that I have in it, it tends to give me more moisture. But I've just replenished this just to give me like a leeway of time to kind of try out other moisturizers that I feel would be sufficient enough to replace this one. And that is it for the skincare. Like, as you can see, I didn't pick up much stuff. I didn't have a lot of money to shop this time around, but you know, I will be prepared for the next sale, because it is, I believe you do get a higher percentage in the sale. I think it's either in October or November later on this year, so I will be putting most of my coins towards that sale. The one beauty item I picked up real quickly was the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Dual Highlighter in Ginger Bean and Moscow Mule. And you guys know I currently have Chic Freak and Girl Next Door, and I love that. I have Hustler Baby. This is just, you know, nothing new because this has been out for a while, but I wanted to go ahead and pick it up for my own collection. I'm just going to swatch it real quick. It's a crappy swatch, but I'm sure you guys get the gist. But yeah, guys, that's it for the haul. Short and sweet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I hope you guys were able to take advantage of the sale. As you can see, mine was very short and sweet, because as much as I enjoyed getting 15% off, it's not really a lot of money when your taxes is 13%. You know what I'm saying? So I picked up the things that I really wanted to try, and things that I know that my skin would love, and things that would benefit my skin. So hopefully you guys were able to pick up 1 or 2 items that you guys also loved or wanted to try. So that is it for the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next Monday, because I upload a new video every Monday. And until then, I will see you next Monday. Bye!